Hello children, in this video we are going to learn class 9 polynomial chapter exercise 2.5 eighth main. The given eighth main has a factorize each of the following. So just to observe this 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. It is looking like the identity. I'll write one identity here, that is x plus y whole cube formula. X plus y whole cube formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. If you multiply this 3xy inside the bracket, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, if I multiply inside the bracket, 3xy into x is 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now we have to compare whatever the given equation is there, that you have to compare with the right side of this equation. 8a cube in place of x cube, 8a cube is there, in place of y cube, b cube is there. Then if you find the value of x and y, automatically these x, 3xy plus x plus y, you will get there. So we have to compare first term with the x cube, second term with the y cube, and you have to find the x and y value here because we want to write in this form. They have given the equation in the right side form. We have to write x plus y whole cube form. So in place of x, we have x cube is equal to, in place of x cube, 8a cube is there. 8a cube. Then x in place of x, cube root. Cube root we will write like this. Means if you want to remove this cube, you have to put cube root on both the sides. Here cube and cube root will get cancelled. So cube root will remain right side as it is. 8a cube. Now cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 means if you multiply 2 3 times. See, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Remember that. Any number if you multiply 3 times, then you should get this answer. Then only we'll call that as a cube root of this number. So cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of a cube is 3 because a into a is a cube. So you can write cube root of 8a cube is 2a. Similarly, we got the x value now. Similarly, y. In place of y cube, b cube is there. Y cube is equal to b cube. If you take both the sides cube roots, means this cube and cube will get cancelled. So y is equal to b. So now we should write this equation in the form of x plus y whole cube. So I will write this first, whatever the given, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to, you should write front only, here place is not there, so I am writing like this, 2a plus b whole cube. Whole cube you can write as a 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Like this you have to write 3 times. Now just observe second sum. Here plus is there, here minus is there, same thing. So here you have to use x minus y whole cube formula. Directly I will write this expanded form, whatever the 3xy multiplied inside the bracket. No, that haven't. Okay, I will write once again, nothing will happen. Whole cube formula is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. I will multiply inside the bracket. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into plus x is 3x square y. Here minus into minus will become plus 3xy square. X minus y whole cube. Now in place of x cube, 8a cube is the same thing. So in place of x I can write 2a. Same thing here also. In place of y cube, b cube is there. So in place of y, b. Only thing signs will change here. So 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to 2a. Instead of 2a plus b, we should write 2a minus b whole cube. You can write this 3 times. 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Now third one. 27 minus 125 a square. Here minus is there means you should use x minus y whole cube formula. Here plus is there means x plus y whole cube formula. Here in place of, I will write the formula first. Always you should write the formulas first. X cube minus y cube minus the same formula. After multiplication whatever you got, I will write that 3x square y plus 3xy square. So in place of x cube we have 27. So in place of x cube root of 27 is, if you multiply any number 3 times you have to get 27. That is 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. So x value is 3 here. Then y cube. Y cube is equal to 125a cube it is. Now 125 cube root of 125 y is equal to cube root of 125 a cube. So cube root of 125 is 5 because 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So y value is 5a here. Now I will write 27 minus 125 a cube is minus 135a plus 225a square is equal to 3. If x value we got 3, y value we got 5a. 3 minus 5a whole cube. You can write this as a 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5, like this. Now we'll see the fourth sum. This is fourth one. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Here also x minus y whole cube formula. X cube minus y cube. This formula only I am going to write it. This x after multiplication inside the bracket, that I am going to write 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now in place of x cube, 64a cube is there. So in place of x, cube root of 64 into a cube. So cube root of 64 is 4 if you multiply 3 times. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So cube root of 64 is 3. Cube root of a cube is a. Then in place of y cube is equal to 27b cube is there. We already know that 27, cube root of 27 is 3. Here we done it. Cube root you should write like this 3 here. Square root means it is understood. Cube root means you have to write 3 here. Cube. So cube root of 27 is 3b. So y is 3b. So I can write 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square is equal to 3a minus 3b whole cube. You can write 3a minus 3b whole cube as a 3a minus 3b into 3a minus 3b. Now we'll see the last sum of this main. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 is there. Here also x minus y whole cube formula only. In place of x cube, 27p cube is there. So in place of x, cube root of 27p cube. So x is equal to cube root of 27 is 3p. Then in place of y cube, 1 by 216 is there. So in place of y, cube root of 1 by 216 you can write as the cube root of 1 is 1 only. Then cube root of 216 is 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. If you want you can just multiply and check it. So here x value is 3p, y value is 1 by 6. So I can write 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p. You can write as a 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6. Like this we have to factorize this. This is a eighth main of this exercise. In the next video we are going to learn the 9th and the 10th mains. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.